Hey guys, AJ the CEO here. If this is the first time you stop by my channel, thanks for stopping by. And on this channel we focus on tips, training, strategies, reviews, and builds to help modernize your media ministry. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And there's good reason for you to consider subscribing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We have hit 100 subscribers. We hit my goal for the beginning of this year and we're moving forward. And what I want to do to give back and to thank y'all all for doing this is we have our next goal is 500 subscribers. So to help get to that, we want to do a giveaway, a 500 subscriber giveaway, which what we're going to do is based on all of the presentation softwares that are out there, we're going to look at all the specs, consolidate all the specs for these softwares, and we're going to build a custom PC that can run any of them. And then we're going to give that away to one lucky subscriber. And be on the lookout for the video. So I want to give you the details on how to do that. So what you're going to do, you're going to need to, number one, subscribe to this channel. Number two, turn on bell notifications. And then number three, on the actual building of the computer, we need to put one comment on that video. And we will randomly pick one comment, one person to win that for their church or whatever they want to do with it. So be on the lookout for that. So the contest has not started yet, but the faster we get to 500 subscribers, that's when the contest is going to be over, or it's going to be July 1st, whichever one comes first. That's where the whole contest is over, and we're going to give that away. So again, make sure, number one, you have to be a subscriber. Number two, you have to have bell notifications turned on. And then number three, you need to leave a comment in the ultimate presentation PC build. All right. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you do number one and number two right now. That way you get notified when that video comes out. And again, thank y'all again for the ones who have subscribed so far. And for those new subscribers, thank you again. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Later.